Most people get this wrong. They think Rush Wallet is just a payday app, but the surprising truth in 2026 is that it offers early access to earned wages, installment payment options, and budgeting tools all on one platform. When used responsibly, Rush Wallet can help bridge short-term cash gaps without the high interest rates of traditional loans. Here's how it works. Rush Wallet lets you access a portion of your earned wages before payday, usually within a few hours. You can also split eligible purchases into smaller installments over time. Instead of charging interest, the app applies a flat fee per advance or transaction. Additional features include spending alerts, repayment reminders, and optional budgeting tools to help you stay in control of your finances. The downside? Overuse can become costly. Frequent advances or missed payments could result in extra fees or account restrictions. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only advance money you can realistically repay. 2. Set reminders for repayment deadlines. 3. Keep a small emergency fund to avoid over-reliance. Who should use Rush Wallet? Steady income earners who occasionally need short-term cash or want help managing larger purchases. If your income is unpredictable or repayment discipline is weak, it could end up costing more than it helps. In conclusion, Rush Wallet in 2026 is a convenient financial tool for short-term cash flow management, but only if used responsibly. Track fees, stick to repayment plans, and treat it as a convenience. Subscribe for more helpful reviews and tips for smart money management.